Psalms 129. Haters won't prevail, a song of ascents. How many times they have been hostile to me, even from my youth, let Israel now say. How greatly they have been hostile to me, even from my youth, yet they have not prevailed against me. Plowmen plowed on my back, they made their furrows long. Adonai is righteous, he has cut the ropes of the wicked. May all who hate Zion be driven back in disgrace. Let them be like grass on the roofs, which withers before it springs up. With it a reaper cannot fill his hand, nor can a binder of sheaves fill his lap. So the passers-by may never say, "The blessing of Adonai be upon you. We bless you in the name of Adonai."